Hey guys, today I'm going to show you all my fidgets I got from the swap meet. First is this tangle. I got it from my dad. And I got this. They were both $3, but the man said if you get two, it's $5. So like, oh, okay. I was gonna get two of these, but I was like, whoa, a snapper. I always wanted a snapper. So I got a snapper for my dad. Blackjack. And it's not a blackjack. This one is Tangle. $3 only. Next, I got this. Roller rings. Super good. And I love them. They're really nice. And yeah, I just love them. Oh my gosh, they're literally fleeing. Okay, I got them. And these are really nice. Like, I love these. Oops. Next, I bought this with my money. This was like $4. Yeah, $4. Next thing that I bought was this dimple. And I didn't even know this is a boy thing. This is a boy dimple. Because, let me show you. Yep. Right here. Grenade. Grenades are not for girls. So this is a boy. And a gun. Where is it? Yep, right here. For boys. I don't know if you can see it though. Right here. Right here, it's a gun. I know this is not for kids. But all of these, like dangerous stuff are for kids. Not kids, but like boys that are older. Like, maybe like my age. I'm like 8 years old. Yeah, I'm 8 years old, and yeah. And yeah, this is all my fidgets. So this and this, oh no, this and this was, so let me do math with this. So this was $6. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This was $4. 10, 15, yes, 15. Yeah, 15. All of this combined was $15. So, I don't even know. Wait, I just noticed that oh, yep, this is better. If you go to Five Below, there's only like toys that are $5, and there's Poppets there, only $5. If you buy 3, it's 15. But I got all of these, and all of this combined is 15. I didn't even know until I did this math. Oh, I want to show you this. I made it with my brother and sister. My little brother, he didn't really help. He just played with the Play-Doh, but this SpongeBob. Wait, speaking of SpongeBob, there's SpongeBob right here. And there's Patrick. Yeah, there's jellyfish on here. And I made a zombie with the extra of this and stuff. Whoa, my big eye. And then I made a zombie and I lost both of the eyeballs. Now it has no eyeballs. And it's just, yeah. Oh, my dad is here. Gotta go. Bye. Because I have to help him, I think. I don't know. So, bye. Have a good day. Oh, yeah. Don't forget, I'm going to show you the biggest thing. And it's a surprise. And I'm not going to show you until tomorrow. It's almost 1 in the morning, so I gotta go to sleep. So tomorrow I'll show you the big surprise. Big or small, you never know. So goodbye. See you tomorrow. And yeah, goodbye. 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 See you later.